Hey guys, this is Mike here at ALM Hyundai West with my friend Ezra. Traded in his 2024 N-Line for now a 2026 Elantra N. Ezra, how was your experience today with us?
Absolutely amazing. I met Mike at Caffeine and Octane, the car event in Kennesaw. Talked about the TCR, but he said that you'd give me an amazing deal on my Elantra N-Line out there, so had to come check it by and got the 2026 after all.
So if you had to say, would you say we are a trustworthy dealership?
Yeah, 100%.
I appreciate
it.
it.
For a bit, but we got it down to what I wanted, so
and that's all that matters. Look, I just want to say again, congratulations on your Elantra N. Wish you many, many miles, no speeding tickets. This is Mike signing out. Congratulations again, man.
Thank you.